A quiet city street at night. Street lights glow dimly and the road is almost empty. The motorcycle passes a lonely bus stop under a flickering streetlight. A young woman in a white dress stands silently. The man rides past her but slows down. He looks in his mirror and notices the woman still standing there alone in the dark. He turns the motorcycle around and stops beside her. The man politely asks if she needs a ride home. The woman slowly nods without speaking. The woman climbs onto the back of the motorcycle. The man starts the engine again and rides into the quiet night streets. They ride through empty city roads. The wind moves the woman's long hair. The man tries to start a conversation, but she remains completely. The man glances at the mirror. The woman's face looks pale and expressionless. He feels a strange chill, but keeps riding. They pass through a darker part of the city. Fog slowly rolls across the road. The streetlights flicker above them. The man looks in the mirror again. Suddenly, the back seat is empty. Startled, he brakes the motorcycle and turns around quickly. There is no one on the road behind him.
Slowly, he turns his head forward again. The woman is suddenly sitting on the motorcycle behind him again, staring silently. Her face slowly changes into a terrifying ghostly appearance. Her eyes become hollow, and her skin turns pale gray. The man panics and speeds away on the motorcycle through the empty streets. He finally stops and looks back again. The woman has disappeared completely. In the distance, under a streetlight, the same woman in the white dress is standing again, waiting.